So VEVOR ended up gifting us this 18-inch tiller. Now this is a plug-in tiller. Now the unit itself is pretty heavy duty. It does have this plastic type material up top protecting the motor within it. And the motor is a 13.5 amp motor, and it is all copper. And everything below here is metal. Now the handle itself, I must say, the fact that it gives you these 2 points to control the unit, normally they're just a little handle here that doesn't give you much support. But this, with these handles that come off of the unit, really help you to stabilize it. I find I have a lot more control with this unit. Now on the right side, you do have a trigger, which is gonna ignite the tiller. However, there is a push button here that you have to push while you pull that trigger. So that's going to stop any mishaps from happening. Now, the unit also has wheels on it, which I find to be very unique. My other tiller did not have wheels, so it made it a little harder for me to bring it to wherever I was tilling. This, however, makes it super easy for me to just get it where I need it. Now the unit itself will allow you to go to an 8.7 depth, but you can also adjust that. All you would have to do is pull this cotter pin out, and that's going to allow you to bring it up. So it definitely has a lot of adjustability here. So all in all, if you're looking for a new tiller and you wanted it to be an 18-inch tiller with a depth that's adjustable, you may want to consider this one. It's definitely built well and has some power to it. And the fact that you can control it a lot better, it's got me sold, that's for sure.